I'm gonna start demonstrating how to engrave on a baby ID bracelet using our L100 laser engraver. So first I'm gonna get the dimensions. I'm gonna measure the width, about 6.7, length, 13.5, and due to the curvature, just gonna measure the thickness of it. So we got about 1.7 in height. Put that right here. Open the cover. So I'm gonna lay down the bracelet. I'm gonna check the focus point. There's our focus point. I'm gonna merge it in the middle. There we go, all set. I'm gonna go to the program. So we're gonna select the curved surface. Horizontal curve, top side. 13.5. 6.5. And the curve was about 1.7. Center, change the fonts, Stuller, it's nice. Save that again. I'm going to do the laser engraving. I'll choose cross hatching, a tighter gap, 0.1 gap, create. Send to the engraver. This is a silver ID bracelet, so we don't have to go to 100%, about 80%, about 47 kilohertz, about 900, 2 counts. Okay, now let's go to the machine. I'm gonna focus my area. There we go. And up the focus point. Okay, we'll do one pass, and let's go back to the machine.